What are you eating?
Hot dog.
Is it delish? On a scale of 1 to 10, how delicious is it?
Buttery.
Buttery? Good choice.
That's like an 8.
Do you like it, Michaela? Is it good?
Bring it over here, close thing.
Do you want some more?
Can you please bring it close? Oh,
Do you want some, Michaela? Can you say yeah? Eat?
yeah.
Yummy!
We're gonna have some mean burps tonight. It's like pure garlic in here.
Where